A weather alert day is in effect for all of mid-Missouri for tomorrow night into Friday morning as I'm tracking the threat of icy conditions with freezing rain moving in by tomorrow evening. We have a winter storm watch for the western half of the area, and that goes from tomorrow night through Friday evening for that threat of ice accumulation along with the chance of seeing a little bit of snowfall into Friday afternoon. Most of the rainfall and snowfall across the southern portion of the state continues to track out, not expecting any more impacts for today or tomorrow morning, but tracking our low pressure that'll be heading in our direction. That'll be moving in by tomorrow night. Here's our hour-by-hour forecast. Not expecting any problems out the door tomorrow morning. This is at 6. By the time we get to late afternoon, tracking some more cloud coverage, still dry at 3 or 4 o'clock. And then after sunset, that precipitation moves in from the south, starting out as rainfall, but quickly turns over to a wintry mix as our temperatures will be falling below freezing. And that chance for freezing rain increases dramatically by the time we get to about 9 or 10 o'clock, especially for the southern half of the area. Might briefly start off as snow for that I-70 corridor, but eventually, as temperatures hold to near freezing, we'll likely see more of that freezing rain sliding north once we get past midnight. Still going to be dealing with precipitation in the morning for the northern half and the western portions of the area. 7 o'clock likely will still have a wintry mix for our northern counties, making it slick for the morning commute for sure. Then by the afternoon, if we can manage to get above freezing, that will help out dry out some of the roads and get things above freezing, but still could have a few slick spots if we have wet roads into early Saturday morning. Saturday is going to be dry to start off, but we could have another round of a little bit of snowfall, but most of that impact will be Thursday night into Friday. Here's that ice tracker. This is what I'm expecting for tomorrow night into Friday morning. Potentially a glaze to about 1/10 of an inch of ice anywhere south of Highway 50. The farther north and west you go, the more impact it will be. From Columbia to Jefferson City, about 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch, and then it gets a little worse. The farther north and west up towards Macon, Moberly, Boonville, towards Sedalia, that's where we could see about 1/4 to 3/10 of an inch of ice. So we'll be watching for any power outages as well as slick spots on the roads. It's going to be quite dangerous to get out, especially early Friday morning for most of the area with that ice on the roads. But thankfully, we will start to quiet down this weekend. Temperatures still cold on Saturday. There's a chance we could even see a few snow showers, possibly seeing another dusting or so of snow. But after that, we will warm up quite a bit for Sunday as we're back into the 40s. And it does look like a warm start to next week as we'll be back into the upper 40s Monday and Tuesday.